The Plymouth County Commission provides information and services to Plymouth County government. The Commission also has another vital role in our region, providing services to a variety of historical properties. PACTV Community News spoke with our local commissioners to better understand the role of the Commission and the services available.
Plymouth County is a regional government agency that currently is responsible for the Registry of Deeds. We are responsible for 3 courthouses. We're responsible for, believe it or not, processing parking tickets for, I think, 27 different government entities. And we are, by statute, a regional authority that can couple towns together for the purposes of saving towns money.
We've got a number of things that we've been working on since we've been elected. First of all, we filed 7 pieces of legislation on behalf of the county, and we're looking to get support, and we've been going from town to town to talk about such things as the courthouse rents, OPEB liability for communities, memorandum of maintenance of effort payments that the county was making on behalf of the jail. We also have filed legislation to create a stabilization fund. We've filed legislation to get a better portion of the deeds excise tax, and we've got a number of initiatives that ultimately will help the county help its member communities. We've worked on a couple of new initiatives for the same price of the assessment that you pay. We have undertaken 2 major projects. One is the creation of the Plymouth County Power Management Group, and what that is a public-private partnership between Plymouth County and Power Management. They're a company that will go out and do energy audits, needs assessments, and utility contract analysis for you in your community. Organic waste would be the waste in the trash stream that are alive, in food, plants, things like that get disposed of, that when they go to landfills and then get covered, they create methane gas, and the organics are really a problem for communities, because if you're dumping for 20, 30, 40 years on a landfill and then you're required to cap it, what happens is those organics release gases, and when they get released in the form of methane gas, it becomes a problem. So it's very expensive to cap. So what we're looking to do is to work with DEP with their new regulations governing municipal organic waste, and if we can be an agent on behalf of our communities in Plymouth County and someone that the state can work with, then we realize an opportunity that could create revenue to help us reduce some of the debt of Plymouth County. Yeah, one of the things that we do in Plymouth County is we oversee the 4-H collaborative, and we have a facility over on the old hospital grounds in the town of Hanson, and we have some great folks that go out and teach husbandry, planting, different agricultural opportunities for young folks, and all folks alike actually, to learn the trade of being farmers and horse breeders and people that want to have sheep. We're taking the leadership of the governor on these issues in regionalization. He has consolidated many agencies in his administration, and he has requested from member communities the thought of trying to put together programming that all of us can share in. So what's the best vehicle for that? County government. County government over the years has just been parochial and has been charged with its law-given legislation that enabled them to maintain the courthouses. That's really what they did in the beginning. If you follow the legislation all the way back to the 1700s, they were to take care of the shire town and the courts. Well, over the years, it has changed to include all of the services that the chairman spoke of earlier. But now we as a commission are getting into areas where we're able to provide services to Plymouth County residents, because we, as commissioners, for the first time, have all served an elective office on a local level. I've been a city councilor in the city of Quincy, a selectman in the town of Pembroke. Dan Pilato was a selectman in Hanson, and Sandra Wright is a councilor in the town of Bridgewater. So all of us look at those budget-busting ideas that have come across our desk, and we say, how can we build a better mousetrap? How can we make it better for cities and towns?